गाइस वेलकम टू बैक माय चैनल श्याम मानानी। तो आज आपको मैं आपको पढ़ाने जा रहा हूँ HTML5 और आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू दैट आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म। सो गाइस you can see the registration form. That's why you can see the registration form. We have to fill this box. So we have to type our name. So my name is Shyam Malani. Password, any password. I have written this. Male, gender male. We can write this 6@gmail.com. Okay. There is option also for written numbers. So we can write number. Okay. So we can submit and then the submit will open again. So name, I have told you the right pattern and I am telling now wrong pattern. We can write Shyam Malani. Password this and email search for Shyam, this email, and then we have to comma in this. So number I have written this. So submit. Okay, this is right way and wrong way. Shyam Malani. Password then ये email Shyam Malani 6.com and number. And submit. It is written that the comma is in wrong position, so it is wrong pattern, and then I have told you the right pattern and I am telling you this is wrong pattern. So comma 6 at the rate gmail.com. Okay, .com and submit. And this is right way and I have told you that that is wrong way. Okay, if you not explain clearly, so you can go in comment box and write in comment that I am not explained clearly. So I can explain this clearly and make the video of this also. So guys, please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so guys अब this ये आ गया. Okay, अब मैं आपको and then I will explain today HTML5. This I am explain the registration form. Okay, cut, and I am explaining this. So we have to write HTML, then head, HEAD head, then title, HTML head title, then title order list. What is order list? Order list like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 numbers is called an order list, and unordered list like dot is called an order list. We have to write order list or unordered list at one title. So I am writing an order list. So it is come at the way of numbers. So title. Okay, I have written the title, and we have to close the title also. Okay, we have to close the title also, and then we have to write background color. Okay, so I have written body. So I have written this, and I explain you that what I have written. So I am HTML head, title close, and then style will open. Okay, and we have to write in order list. So this is your that you have write on order list or unordered. This is your own choice. So I have written, and then this the body background RGB is called and style. So we have to open style and write a body curly bracket background, and color RGB means red, green and blue, and this is the numbers of RGB. So then it is written the style, and then close the style. We have to, and then close the style and close head, because the head is written that in this. So we have to close the head and style, and then we have to write body means we have to write in, so it is written in last. So body means H1, because I have written H1 means this H1 means heading. H1 means heading, that I have written heading benefits no attitude of girls, that I have written. Okay, and then H1 will be close. H1 close. Okay, H1 close. Then H1 means heading, and I have written heading attitude of girls. Okay, of girls, it is written typing mistake. Okay, so not remembered, of girls, and then H1 close, and then we have to write this in points or not in points or order list, and order list in short form we called OL, and unordered list we call UL. So it is important to write short form. Okay, and then in the title we have to write only full form, and then in H1 we have to write, and then H1 we have to write short form. So I am writing in, and attitude of girls I am written in UL, order list. So OL order list. Okay, then it will be on numbers. Attitude of girls in H1 it will be on numbers. So I have written ordered list, and then I am writing order list, and then I am writing order list, and then I am writing list. When we written heading, and then it will be start on order list or unordered, it is your choice. Then we have to write list. We have written heading, and then we have to write list in order list. 1 2 3 it is an order list, and we have to write list. So I can write games. Okay, games of indoor, it is, or I am giving the example. So list, and then we have to write, this is your choice that you have to write 1 or 2. I am writing 3. So games of indoor, games of outdoor. Okay, so list, and then list. There is typing mistake. List, and then we have to write example like indoor games, indoor games like indoor games like Ludo, CHESS, Ludo, chess, and Ludo, chess and Uno. Okay, and then Ludo, chess, Ludo, chess and Uno. I have written this Uno. What is the problem of this Uno? Okay, I have written this. Okay, and example I have written this. Okay, then we have to all in this. So we have to click on this. Okay, the color will be changed. you can see the color change of background. You can see the color is black, purple, yes, purple. So attitude of girls, first, and it is coming in order list. So games of indoor, games of outdoor, example like indoor games like ludo, chess, uno. It is basic cheese. It is basic of HTML5 to make websites or games. This is the basic. It is the basic to learn. Okay, you can see. So I can change the number like 13. You can also change. I have written 45. Okay, 41, 56. Okay, so you can see the color is changed. So then I can write okay, then I can write 23. Okay, then color is changed also. No, color is not changed. So there I can write 46. Okay, 46. No, color is not changed. Then you have to try that what is the number that color will change. Okay, then 23, 46, and then write 55. So okay, so color will be white. So guys, you please like and subscribe my channel and share. Okay guys, so bye. Then I will explain you Python, more on Python and you will know that the Python will be in if, else and elif. This is the basic and hard thing of Python. So guys, I will explain Python on tomorrow or yesterday on tomorrow. So guys, bye.